Cat. Looking forward to showing you around the boat. She's an amazing vessel, brand new. Last year was delivered to St. Thomas in January. We had her in the off season in Grenada, and she did awesome on the trip down and back, and now we're ready for the 2021 season. Let me take you around the boat. We're here in the stern salon. We'll come back to that, but we'll go ahead and move to the bow. As you can see, there's a huge amount of space for up to an 8-pack that we can take. It never feels crowded, as we can have our guests be up here in the forward seating area, enjoying the bean bags on the trampoline, in the rear salon area, and the interior salon, and my favorite, which we'll be going to in just a minute, is the fly bridge. I guess that's pretty common for captains. So we'll walk on through here. You can just walk across the cushions. I guess while we're here, we do have a myriad of different type of water toys. We've got a couple of stand-up paddle boards on the starboard side. There's a brand new 2-person kayak, and we just checked that out a few days ago in Mahu Bay, and it works very nice. Bean bags for sitting. Now we'll go on up into the fly bridge. It's an amazing area, ample room for relaxation. You can see here, there's lounge chairs in the back, seating in the front. You know, we can put out hammocks and you can chill with the book, or sit in the swings in the back that you'll see in a little while. Watch the unicorn. Just to continue the water toy discussion, we've got them loaded up on the dinghy over here. We've got a wakeboard, a kneeboard, a sub-wing, all kinds of snorkeling gear, a tube that we can take out and have a lot of fun with that. Guests enjoy sitting in the swing chairs that are attached to the davit. We'll lower their feet down into the water. It's always kind of fun thing for them to do. This is the rear salon. This table opens up to accommodate 8 people. As we said before, we're an 8-pack boat. We have plenty of seating here in the stern salon. Little bar area. We'll be mixing up your favorite cocktails. You've got to stop by and try our NAUTI CAT, which is our signature drink. We'll be happy to make that for you. We'll move on into the interior. And we see Chef Peggy, who just cleaned up from the cooking competition. We have a little unique device here. It's called a Bartesian. Think of it as a Kruig for cocktails. Basically, there's each spirit, whiskey, tequila, vodka, and gin. Rum, too, because you can do more than it shows here. You pop the cartridge in, close it, hit the button, adjust the strength. I don't think anybody hits anything but extra strong. I don't know, but that's kind of fun for guests to, be able to serve themselves. But that doesn't mean that Peggy and I aren't going to mix up cocktails for you. Up here, what's nice here is the salon area is raised, if you notice that. And what that allows you to do is sit here, and you can look right out. And see basically 360. It's, I think a nice feature of the Lagoon 50 for sure. Guess we'll move on down to the port side here and show you a couple of our staterooms. Each of the staterooms has its own air conditioning, individually controlled. We have a small berth here that, it's great for families where the children can sleep in here. Also, if the client would like all 4 staterooms, Peggy and I will move into this area to allow everyone to have their own individual stateroom. We then would just use the restroom, the head, in the forepeak on the starboard side, so you can still, have your own individual, head, so to speak. So if you walk in here, this head's kind of Jack and Jill, and we'll get to that in a minute. And this is the stateroom that's set up for the evening. It's been turned down. We've got the shades drawn. We've got some nice air conditioning here. You've got USB ports. You've got your control of your air conditioning unit individually. There's lots of space for your personal items. Since this is Jack and Jill, I'll let you go ahead and go into the head. And since every head looks about the same, we'll just have you look at one. But you can see you have your own individual shower, some nice view out through the portholes. So very roomy. I'm 6 foot tall, and you can stand up in the shower, so it accommodates bigger guys. I mean, LeBron James would probably have a problem in here, but most everybody else is probably okay. I had to say LeBron James. He played for the Cavaliers, which was my team. He did defect and go to Los Angeles, though. So we also have some artwork in the staterooms. We try to, kind of liven it up a little bit, make it more roomy, more comfortable for our guests. So this is a stateroom that's set up, for the day. We've got a nice view out the portholes here. I mean, I love these huge rectangular portholes. Although one time I didn't like it so much, and that was on the crossing back from St. Lucia. We're in about 15-foot seas, and when I was in the stateroom, it looked like I was looking out at an aquarium because I was underwater most of the time. But that just shows you how strong this thing's built, and really, really impressed with its performance. And you're good at that. All right. So I guess we can see one more stateroom. Do you think that'd be fine? All right. So we're going to the starboard side of the vessel, and we're going to go to the stern stateroom. It's back here, but I'm going to get out of his way just so you can see some of this artwork. We also have artwork, in the hallways here. Just again, trying to make it a little bit, more comfortable. Not just as stark, walls of a vessel. And then this is the last stateroom, as the other staterooms are crew quarters right now. We also have some nice tunage, so if people are so inclined, we can listen to everything from relaxing jazz to some tropical music to whatever our guests enjoy. Peggy and I are excited to have your guests, be a guest on our boat, and we're not happy unless they're delighted. Anything short of that is something that we just don't accept. So please welcome aboard. We're looking forward to seeing you.